what is cross-validation? Cross-validation is a resampling technique to boost the number of samples we have from our limited data set. Let's say these 5 rectangles are our data set, and we want to try and get an accurate estimate of what parameters we can use for our model to best estimate the size of the rectangle. These 5 rectangles alone isn't enough to get a good estimation, so we can do this through cross-validation resampling. From this data set of 5, we're going to create multiple data sets.
Let's say we're doing a 5-fold cross-validation. We're going to randomly choose a sample from our data set 5 different times.
Essentially, we are giving our model 10 different data sets to train on, and this will give a good estimate of what the best parameters are for our model. There are many different cross-validation methods. I'll explore these in a future blog post. So before we run the model, we're going to set up the cross-validation for the support vector machine model. We're going to do a 10k-fold cross-validation that's repeated 3 times. And essentially what happens is we run a 30-fold cross-validation because of this. And just to clarify, since we already have a validation set from our original data set, this cross-validation is going to be used to estimate the tuning parameters for our model that we're going to use to classify males and females.